dear. Oh dear. Oh, I don't even think I shot you. I don't even think I shot you, boys. I'll just shot you here quick. Boys, check this out. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll just run, you know, the conduits, put some receptacles on the ceiling, be able to plug the lights in on a switch, and then, you know, run a couple receptacles, probably just four. Probably just four would be good. And then, yeah, be liquidy splockens. But, yeah, my new one, this is like, you know, the most luxurious area of the whole building now. Eh? Friggin' rights it is. Look at that. That's awesome. I got to get the 80 tree in there today. We got a little bit of the spatial delivery. Should be tomorrow if everything goes into the Accord joist. It was almost going to be today, but then it wasn't going to be today. So I should scrape some of the snow off here because I got to get the forklift out here. Got the forklift going yesterday too after years. I should probably check the fluids. This is so crazy. Felt like this was never gonna come to Mafgishin, but still got a lot of work to do. Figure I'll put the friggin' engines right here for now. I just gotta, you know, figure something out for tempers. Oh, what's really going on?
Just park it right here, and then when it's dry enough, you can just drive it up there, spray it with oil, and then park it for the winter. Sort of kind. Or we could just open that door and just pull it right in.
Might end up with a Cummins into it. Do that. Backup alarm sounds like it's having a stroke. Sold this today. Got it for Brian's sister, or Nelson's sister, and decent. Is that off your van?
I don't think so.
Just fucking showering my yard with Russ off this fucking thing.
Oh, homemade holder.
Oh, my new invent. She sent that. Work mint. Just fucking skeet. Hold her up and then tip her word. Not mad at me too bad. A little bit. Not too bad. Well, I'm going to pinch my fingers. I'm going to have a sandwich quick.
Sandwich?
Yeah. Starving and it's lunchtime. Typically said it's lunchtime.
Lunchtime? 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I know. I've been fucking waiting for you for over an hour, for fuck's sakes. Take all day. Told you I got shit to do. Fucking taking loads in and shit.
That's enough. You want to close more?
Oh, it'll be alright. Just gonna have a sandwich and a cigarette quick, and then we'll move these engines, and then I got my shit all tied down, ready to go, and we can Lickety splips. Oh, let's see if old Forky loves being alive today. Watch your fingies. The brakes on this thing are no good. Careful.
What do we got to grab onto?
Nothing.
You got that, I got that.
We'll just set her up to the side or something. Like that. Watch your fingies. Decent. Oh, my strap absorbed most of it, I guess. Son of a bitchington. I'm going sideways. Good enough. Oh, my paint on my bed. Holy shit. Just get her on the edge there. I'll get this cart ready. Okay, this is my good one. No wrecking. Kind of not good how the sensor holes right open there. This is a ZF 5. Already piling shit in the shop relentless. I haven't even got it done yet. Scores.
Getting a ladder for an old man?
Are you having troubles? Holy. Holy. Oh dear. Oh my good one. Oh, what happened?
I got some on me.
No. Oh, and your good blue jeans.
Yeah. Oh, on this side too.
Didn't know you were coming to work, did you?
No, that's why I wore my runner shoes. I would have wore work boots.
Oh, fuck, it's inwood. What do you expect? Think you're just gonna come park your truck and oh, see you later.
Oh, I figured you'd oil it before you parked it, and then
Crawdad, listen.
I'll oil it before you put it inside. Chris, 1 hour ago, how long you be? Missed call, Chris.
Funny that.
I had it in my pocket the whole time. I didn't hear nothing.
Maybe you should just run the f***ing saw willy-nilly with no earplugs in for 4 years.
12:35. I was probably just on this road.
Yeah, you got it here just before I got here. Holy f***, man, where are you even at? That bandsaw from this place here. After I got out of prison, I bought it before I went to prison. And then I fucking thought I would fucking hours it really light and stuff. You were like, yeah, let's go get another one. Still got that bandsaw. Don't use it much anymore, but
Nice easy driving.
oh, much obliged. Tractor.
This tractor.
It fits them.
I've done a little bit of that there, right?
Holy shit! 19,620. You're going on a diet. Good dash in that truck. Whoa! First day? On the equipment. 11,700. They keep giving me these garbage. Tim Hortons? Yeah. Garbage. What, they just give it to you? Yeah. Bring in scrap, get free Hortons. See, Tim's cards are back. You have to bring your scraps in. Alright, well, we got rid of crawdad. Let's see if this thing will drive onto the stovepipe. Oh shit. Oh. There we go. Perfect.